Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
This little anxious guy is Popeye, and we are the RC Sailors. He is ready to chase another drone. He loves this. We've been having a lot of fun today. This is called the MJX X905C. So I'll say that again, the X905C. We'll have a link in the description box below if you want to check it out, but it should come in under $20. This is just a little agile, non-altitude hold, no prop guards or anything, little indoor camera drone. It does come with its own micro SD card that plugs directly into the drone with a 0.3 megapixel camera, so it's not going to be anything to write home about.
It has a built-in battery. It's a 150 milliamp one-cell battery.
Yeah.
Charges, they say, in 20 minutes. That's about what ours charged, but you know, it was
Partially charged
probably already when it came here, and it's supposed to get a 6-minute flight time.
Right, that included micro SD card is actually a 4 gig card, so you can probably get a lot of recording on that.
Yeah.
The transmitter I don't love. I mean, it's a little bigger than some of those little micro drones that we get, but I don't really like it because the buttons are not labeled, and it's kind of like deciphering some Egyptian hieroglyphic clue.
At least in the instructions, it's really bad.
Yeah, it's labeled as, you know, function A, and then function A has about a paragraph long of an explanation of what that button does, and then it contradicts itself with what it says that function is online. So this might be a little bit confusing to get in the air for any beginner, although it's a good price. You know, it comes with the included little charger. The battery is built in though, and then a converter for your micro SD card to USB. All this stuff was included in the box. I think it's time to get this in the air and just see how it flies. So I just realized the buttons are labeled on the box too, and I don't like the layout of these buttons at all. So that's going to be a bit of a struggle for someone that buys a small collection of these. You're going to have, I think, an issue like remembering the button layout. And there's an issue with this too. You turn this on, at least when we got the shot of the B-roll there, the close shot for you guys, it wouldn't turn on. I had to kind of push the switch back just a little bit, but it seems to be working now. So there, it's kind of sketchy there. You turn the quad on, you turn the transmitter on.
Those are some nice lights.
Throttle up, throttle down. I agree, the lights are nice. And let's take a little picture of Popeye. We should have a little. That should be a picture.
Are you smiling, Popeye?
My light on my transmitter went green, so I don't know if that did the photo. There's a red light on the drone. So there's 2 photo buttons on here. The little middle one, and that didn't seem to work, and then the top left one, and that did seem to work. I think if we hold this top left one, nope, just another photo. It says it should turn the lights off. So I don't love the button
Press and hold the middle one.
We're going to, and that should be video.
Let go of it.
I did. And we don't have any blinking light or anything, so no real indicator. I'm not in love with this, but we're going to fly it. I just wanted to see if any of this stuff worked. I don't think it does.
I don't think it does either.
Time to fly. It takes photos, but I don't know if it's doing video.
Cue Popeye.
Let's snap a picture of Abby. It should be that. And that little light stays on for a while. It's like, there, it turns on to take a photo. And then if I hit this little middle button, it doesn't do anything, even though it says that's our photo video.
Is this altitude hold? I can't remember.
No, I'm just that good.
You're just that, wow. Everybody just hit unsubscribe.
I know. I'm just trying to get that. The video is not working. No, this is not altitude hold, but it flies really well. I feel like I have a lot of control over this. The transmitter feels nice and it's flying around really well. So I'm really disappointed about that camera because this is a nice little flyer. I feel like I just have great control over it. And then I click the left stick, and that's supposed to be higher rates. It feels higher, but it didn't really get a... It beeped. It's just really, really quiet. Okay, so that's rate 1, and it's kind of snappy. And then rate 2 is very snappy. Very, very quick. Oh, nope. And I think it's time for you to fly.
I didn't even film that because you went away so fast.
I just bounced into the pole there.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, I think you'll like how it flies. I'm pretty sure you're in the highest rate though.
I wonder what this blue light's all about right there though.
I think that's just like a constant on. It's been on the whole time. The last little drone we did, that would turn... Oh, you got the lights to turn off. Interesting.
You've been pressing this button the whole time and nothing has happened.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Wait, okay, that's the charger.
Yeah, it's confusing, isn't it? The
Yeah,
charger port looks just like the camera. Mm-hmm.
Funny.
Yeah, good job on the lights. Maybe you can get the video to work. Just press all the buttons. Go crazy. Oh, now is that headless mode?
I don't know.
That's headless mode. Yeah, that's headless mode. That little middle button down there is supposed to be your video. I think you might be in the highest rates, by the way.
Neat.
Flies well, doesn't it?
Oh, there's headless mode. That's terrible.
You got it, Popeye.
It was going opposite.
Good job, buddy. He says, I'm ready for round 2.
Let's make sure of that. Wait, red's the front. That is difficult.
Very confusing, yeah.
Yeah, it's opposite. So headless mode.
No
Not
good.
for the win.
Now that top left... No, wait, you click the left stick for rates. So you might want to try...
So as I'm clicking this middle button, it goes from green to orange.
I saw that, and maybe that is the only indicator for video.
I'm probably taking like 500 pictures.
Yeah, that's going to be fun to edit.
Look, now it's solid red.
Maybe we're filming?
Ah, that's
Maybe.
filming. We're filming! It has to be filming.
Or green is filming, I don't know.
Interesting. Should we turn it all off?
Sure.
Ew, dog slobbering on me. Okay. Now it's red.
Red. I would think that green would be... I thought it was
And
orange.
now it's
when-
solid
okay,
green.
so that would be, hopefully...
Hopefully now it's filming.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Jeez, Nathan, you could have just... How'd you miss that?
Because there's an indicator on the drone when you take a picture, but not video for some reason. Overall, this drone is very confusing. Very.
It is, yeah. The instructions don't do a very good job.
No. And most of the time, you know, you can get your hands on a little quad like this and not be confused. Oh, Popeye, are you going to get it? Abby's going to crash into the wall.
At least we got that figured out. I was kind of disappointed in it at first, so at least now we know we should be filming. No! Bye.
He gets it so slobbery.
It is really funny how the camera and the charging port look the same.
It's very confusing for
Alright,
orientation.
we haven't done any flips, right?
I don't think so.
Oh gosh. Okay. Okay. Why aren't we
No!
flipping?
It's because there's 3 different labels for the
Yeah, but
buttons.
every one of them said that was whoops. Okay, this one's different. Wait, it says 3D version video. What?
Exactly.
Okay, I'm gonna stop filming. I think I stopped filming.
We think. Oh, there's a flip, and that was pretty
Popeye,
rough.
that was rough.
Get it, Popeye!
Good job, buddy.
The cutest retriever in the world. Nice.
Okay, we got it to flip. I had to hold it.
Oh,
And
gosh.
I tried holding it the first time and it didn't work. So. Oh gosh. It's a little. Oh gosh, Popeye. All right. You did it.
Wow. Wow, hard to follow, hard to follow.
Oh my gosh, it loses so much altitude. Popeye, wrong way.
Popeye, over here, buddy.
Wrong way, buddy. Alright, it's just a little slobbered on now. Alright, let's try to film again.
The light goes green, right?
Green. Sometimes it flips and sometimes it won't. It's durable. Good job. Now why is this on?
What?
Now up here.
Now we have an indicator, finally.
I knocked it.
Yeah.
I knocked some sense into
Yeah.
it. I really did knock some sense into
Yeah,
it.
I should be filming now. And
No, but this is blinking.
and that might be good. That
now
might be
this is blinking.
that might be good. Maybe
This
that
is
means
crazy.
I don't like this at all.
Maybe when I tried to do the flip that time, it turned the video on because
Maybe.
this says it's supposed to do video. This is wacky. The labels on this are terrible. They need to redo that for sure. Overall, this isn't too hard to just basic fly, but the features are just the downfall of this.
Huge downfall.
If you're just gonna buy this just for a little indoor drone just to fly around, don't do flips, don't worry about filming, then it's not too bad. It's just frustrating when they advertise that it can do certain things and then it doesn't work very well.
And you know, if you're gonna buy something like this, oh, Bubba, nice! Something like this, oh, Bubba, nice!
It doesn't.
Good job.
It doesn't have a lot of throttle punch in this lowest mode.
Well, I don't think that you're gonna get more throttle punch in higher modes. That on something like this, that doesn't usually is not the case.
It seemed pretty zippy though when you were flying it. Fast mode and then you backed it into the pole.
Yeah, it flies well. It does. You got blinking lights there.
The flight time wasn't too bad on this,
nice
honestly. I'm kind of happy. Okay, so let's try to stop filming.
Try to stop.
That red light is gone on the drone, but this is still flashing. I don't know which button to push.
Well, here's my final.
Okay, I hit this button and then I hit this middle button and now it's red.
Who knows? I'm sure we got something with all those buttons.
I hope we got something.
So this drone, I think, flies well, but is super confusing.
Yeah.
Very confusing. And
I think, as I said, you're gonna buy this just for flying it because it flew fairly well. But you're not gonna buy it for a camera. It's only 0.3 megapixels anyways, so that means the camera quality is gonna be very grainy, blurry, not very pretty.
Let's be honest though, if you're buying that just to fly it, you shouldn't be buying it.
Yeah.
There are other things like the Fury BF36 that you should check out. So
because this doesn't even have altitude holds.
All throughout this video, we'll have cards at the top of the screen, and you should check those videos out because they're going to be our recommendations. We put those cards there. That's not YouTube doing that on our videos. We do that. So check those out for a better alternative to this.
And if you like these little mini indoor drones or even the mini Whoop drones where you can do FPV, then I highly encourage you to check out our event that's upcoming in June of 2018 called RCS Fest. We'll have the information linked down in the description box below, but we're gonna have a whole indoor mini Whoop course set up inside a real airplane hangar.
We hope.
Pretty sure that's gonna happen.
Yeah.
So we're really excited about it. So be sure to check that out. Pre-register ASAP. It's just gonna be awesome.
The more people that pre-register, the better prepared we can be. Like more porta potties, maybe some better quality in food, more tents, that sort of thing. So if you think you're gonna come, go ahead and pre-register.
Thank you guys so much for watching and for your support, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!